there, wait. I can get it. If I got my thing, I can get a clip on her. You need it? Put it over and under your arm. Cross your arm and then over to the left. Go under your left arm. Go under your, that's it, under, that's it. You're going to pull that nose. If the board goes, lean for the rope. If the board goes, lean for the rope. 1, 2. You're going to go and you're going to lean for the rope if you go. If you no, we're just going to move the board. Now it's jump fast. Kev, you go as well here.
Get a line on it.
There's a line on him. Wait there. We'll get a line on her back. Wait there, mister. I'm going to get my little flippy thing. I'm not joking. Here's out. You're on, leave go. Kev, I've got one for you, mate, if you want to leave go. Leave go. Leave go. There's one. Kev, get that rope. It's alright.